uma ngabe wena kunamajida king lathi mina mina bangithanza mina yebo Ken
uthi uthandwa ngubani
lo girl wami lona king kude lo mjida lo ngamthinza ngimngedwa la like come on bro like you understand le delusion there yabona some niggas are delusional I'm the only one dog
kanti special
yeah uspecial umjida yena yabona yena indlala ifa ekhaya kubo so nalabo cherry vele bathanza yena
bamtha mina king man ngiyacabanga I think mina mlingani yabona la Africa leseningizimi because ngiyona ngiyatika Africa ngiyona ngikukhulumela kule Africa leseningizimi king mina ngicabanga ukuthi asikakhelwa kujola nemuntu munye very few people labakhelwa kujola nemuntu munye
expand
but si angiva king
expand
sikhetha ku okay nayo le statement ngisho ukuthi eSouthern Africa sikakhelwa kujola nemuntu munye
yeah
but sikhetha ukuthi convince sonke sakhe mass delusion ukuthi sonke singajola nomuntu munye uyabona mina there are very few people king mina nginenhlanhla yabogela abanjalo aba straight ukuthi ujola nawe kuphela uyabona the type of umuntu la nguya akakhoni kujola nalomnye umuntu akakhoni ngisho nokukhuluma nelenye out nakanayo uyabona
nengide
but mina ngisengikhaze man bay few bani ngingadibana nabo lokujola nomuntu munye straight
ayibayi few kakhulu king mina ngathi akaze kwendeke empilweni yami
akukavami baneng king laba claimako ukuthi bakwenda ukuthi mina ngiphingi angene both women and men baneng laba claimako
how can we address it king sifike kule conclusion ukuthi now ma stats because king funa sikhulume ngema stats king ngeproof ukuthi iproof you understand king iproof ngama stats phela bakuphi ke le bathi ya mina nama stats king sikhuluma nge-evidence now evidence eats evidence so let's address this how can we play around this because vele sinje thine njengoba sinje thine how can we play around ukuthi sikhone ukusikana kule framework lesingiyo because this is us uyayibona lena
so ngithi le opinion yami ngalapho is very unpopular king because badathi ngidukisa live uyabona mina ngibelieve ukuthi king asinathani prep dilimit yetsheni ube capsule king lo because emaswati king South Africans bayaphinga labantu
over dog over
bonke uyabati king ngiwelo batiko bonke king uyabona na use college ngibekise ukuthi maybe use college ufunza limco ufunza eChristian
yeah
kunabo hudini king lemajita eqhwama ledi uyabona eqhwama ledi
yeah
batafika bakusnetchele gel wakho yabo
yeah
batafika king lamajita lawo akusnetchele gel wakho
yeah
that's fact kuyendeka you can go ask people on the ground kuyendeka uve hayi ngizogibela imoto yamalume
yeah king
nawe ungilomjita una 5 abogelo okhuluma nabo uyabona
yeah
on the flip side king nawo lamajita lawo etkhwama lawa is either kuna screw because now screw baya move nasty king lo snatcha umfatwayo le out or worse even worse king uyabona king kufuna na unomfati uthandaza ukuthi angathini for bo fire bo king le uyabona lethi balapha ecela kwesitolo king
king bo king okay 2 rand ekusamshanga 2 rand king
Later king disrespectful nathenza umfato wakho.
Yeah, iba nasty le ndlela bayenda ngayo lento king. Like if ungeva king if unganikwe recording to watch. Yekethi singasuka side ngaphakama king. I swear to God.
Because